It's getting closer to
Hey guys, welcome back. Now my channel is all about cooking, cleaning, and everything in between. So today I'll be doing just that with a wall update.
I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it.
What I'm doing here is measuring the height and width of the wall so that I can establish the measurements for the picture boxes.
If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah,
With the help of hubby, I've established the dimensions, so now it's time to mark and cut the trim.
I try to focus on breathing.
Working with the circular saw was easy, but if I had a miter saw, it would have been easier.
Makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore.
The miter saw would have been perfect for this job since they cut in 45 and 90-degree angles. The measurements are as follows: 24 by 18 for the small boxes and 24 by 48 for the bottom boxes, with 10 inches in between each of them. Now it looks effortless, but I had to redo a couple pieces of trim because they weren't leveled.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control.
Please remember, I am not a professional in any way, so if you attempt to do this, make sure you get a professional's opinion.
'Cause I adore you.
Once I got the hang of it, it was smooth sailing right after that.
Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control.
What made this project less complicated was the use of the battery-operated tools. They were a lifesaver. As always, I'll have all items used listed in the description box below.
Closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste.
I thought I was going to be able to do this in one day, but boy was I wrong. What I'm doing here is patching the corners that did not touch seamlessly with a compound called spackle. There's a tool that comes with a compound, but it was taking forever, so I used my fingers instead. Remember guys, I am not a professional.
I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely.
The spackle goes on pink, and when it dries, it becomes white. So after it dries, you sand it to blend with the rest of the trim.
It's a shot of love, baby.
This is a close-up shot of the spackle and how you apply it. So after I do this, it dries and then I sand it. And as you can see, I had to secure one of the frames even more.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you.
After sanding, I gave each of the picture boxes 3 coats of paint and I chose to use the same color as the wall.
My best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking.
Let's get everything cleaned up so that I can put the room back together.
Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Doesn't it make a huge difference in the room, guys? I loved how it turned out.
My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red carpet.
This room never gets any action. So with this update, I'm hoping for a little bit more use.
The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!